finally, a brush that your dog is going to love. This is the Pet Teezer detangling brush, and it helps gently remove any tangles in your dog's coat, meaning that they'll love their grooming experience, just like Bo here. Spaniels' ears can get very matted along with lots of other breeds as well, so it's really important to brush your dog at home in between grooms. The brushes are lovely to hold, making it super easy to brush your dog, and the plastic bristles also prevent metal burn, which can be quite common with other grooming products. As you can see, Bo was enjoying his pamper, but him and his brother Gunner definitely didn't look this good when they first came in. You could tell they'd been on a nice long muddy walk this morning before their groom, and they were really in need of a good transformation. They were both absolutely filthy, and there was so much mud that came off them in the bath. A final brush at the end before their owners pick them up, and you can tell how much they love a pamper. Pet Teezer have a brush for every breed and hair type, and they're now available to shop on Amazon. They're all tagged in my Amazon storefront. The link is in my bio, and as always, thanks for watching.